Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we are still in Traben-Trarbach. This time we're climbing towards the Castle of Grevenburg. There's also a war memorial for the Franco-Prussian War, 1870-1871. Yeah, it's looking interesting from here.
Yeah, at the moment we're also standing on a what used to be a medieval tower as well.
Yeah. Let's check this thing out.
Are you wearing your hiking boots? Today we're climbing up the Möselsteig to visit an impressive castle ruin perched on top of a hill. Let's go and explore Castle Grevenburg. Towering over the village of Traben-Trarbach and the river Mösel stands the ruin of the Castle Grevenburg. It was built around 1315 by Johann III, Earl of Sponheim-Starkenburg. Grevenburg replaced the older castle of Starkenburg as the Earl's residence. The castle protected the surrounding region for almost 300 years. Today, only the western wall of the former keep and the foundations remain.
In the 17th century, the Castle of Grevenburg attracted troops of all nations like a magnet. It was bitterly besieged and captured 6 times. From 1687 onwards, our good friend Vauban modernized and reinforced the castle as an outer defense to the short-lived Mont Royal fortifications. For the history of this fort, follow the card in the top right or the link in the description.
And much like Mont Royal, the French had to surrender the castle at the end of the War of the Palatine Succession, also known as the 9 Years' War. Later, during the War of the Spanish Succession, the castle was recaptured and destroyed by the French. The badly damaged castle was then occupied by the Dutch. In 1730, the castle was repaired by the Electorate of Trier for the defense of Koblenz and the Rhine River.
In the War of the Polish Succession, because succession was a real problem in the 1700s, the Castle of Grevenburg was taken after 3 weeks of siege. This final siege proved fatal for the castle. In July 1734 it was blown up by French troops. Huge chunks tumbled down into the valley below. Thus ended the history of the Castle of Grevenburg. This is the Castle of Grevenburg. Behind us is the coolest part. Arbitrarily the coolest part. Arbitrarily, which brings us to the arbitrary, subjective castle score. I'm gonna go 6.5. Yeah. There's a lot of information around actually. And yeah, nice views, cool staircase to get up here. Yeah, what do you say?
I was going to say 6.
6?
Yeah, I don't know, it's arbitrary, that's what my heart says, 6.
Your heart, you have to follow your heart, of course.
Follow my heart. And, well, it would be higher if there was more left.
Yeah.
But the French bombed it in the 1700s.
Double standards, Chateau de Coucy got bombed by the Germans. This one got bombed by the French, but it was before anybody thought castles were cool, so I guess it doesn't matter that much.
It still matters.
Damn the French though. Yeah, we're the History Hikers. Thanks for watching. Give us the stuff, Jente.
Like, comment, subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this video.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye!